For some reason, making cornbread makes me want to dress in like light blue and frilly things. I don't know why. Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a recipe that I never actually tried making myself until about last week when I started recipe testing it. I actually obviously wanted to make a vegan version, and as you know from the title, we are making vegan cornbread. And I also wanted to make a gluten-free version, which I did. Both of these are really amazing. It's just like a super easy substitution. You just use buckwheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. So that is everything I have to say for now. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you are going to combine your non-dairy milk, I'm using almond milk, with a tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, and this is going to curdle the milk and make it like a vegan buttermilk. Then into a mixing bowl, you are going to combine your cornmeal, your flour, either all-purpose or buckwheat if you are gluten-free, the baking soda and baking powder, a pinch of salt, and your sugar. In this recipe I am using coconut sugar, but you could also use cane sugar or white sugar if you like. And then you just want to whisk that all together until it's combined. Then you are going to add in your melted vegan butter, the vegan buttermilk that we had set aside earlier, and 1 egg replacer egg. So this could either be a flax egg, a chia egg, or I'm using the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. And then you just want to use a spoon and stir that all up until it's combined and it is a nice batter. Then you can just pour it into a parchment-lined 8x8 metal baking pan and bake it in your preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes, and you just want to insert a toothpick or a little skewer in the middle before removing it from the oven to make sure that it doesn't come out with any batter. So if it comes out dry or with a couple crumbs, then you know it is cooked all the way through. And then you can just place that on a cooling rack and cut it up into as many pieces as you like, and then you are ready to enjoy. So I'm going to try my best to explain what cornbread is like. So this cornbread is just like a little pillowy cloud of like sweet and salty bread, but also softer and not as chewy as bread. It's honestly just like a cloud. And I personally like eating it just like this, with a little bit of butter, and then with like sweet potato and veggie stew, which is a recipe that will be coming up. I've been recipe testing it. Don't forget, I have a cookbook coming out in February, and it is available for pre-order right now. And if you pre-order it, then you will get this free cookbook with 10 bonus recipes that are not in the actual cookbook, and you will get that within minutes once your confirmation information has been verified. So there's so much good stuff in there, and if you guys want to start making those, then definitely just go pre-order my book, and then you can cook now, and then when my book comes out you can cook from that. And I have new videos coming out, so it's just cooking all the time. It's my life. It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.